Okay, this is how you do a perfect mow. Start out with a sharp mower blade. Very easy to sharpen a blade if you've got a grinder like this. There's just one edge here and one edge here that needs sharpening. So we'll try this one first. You can see it's starting to get shiny there. A little more. Yeah, much better. Can you see the glint up there? Just a touch more in this area. Nice. Now the other side. Dull. And now shiny. Oh, a little more here. That's it. Okay, I'll see you out at the lawn. Okay, now we're going to put a sharpened blade on this mower. I'll just bring this close up so you can see how shiny that edge is and try and get rid of burrs or little nicks. There's the other side shined up. Just try and grind it at the same angle that it was preset at. This one wasn't the greatest job, but it's still a lot sharper than it was. I'll probably do it again next week. Okay, so tip your mower up with the gas tank at the top, otherwise you'll get a wet drip of gas here. Gas tank at the top. Okay. Now, you can do this with a wrench, but you'll damage the bolt head after a while. It's better to use a socket set. They're very inexpensive, always on sale at Canadian Tire. Now to change the head of a socket set, because there's lots of different heads here, to the right size, you push this button on the back and it releases. Then you put the right size on, like that. Okay, snap on, snap on. Get it on. Now this is set for tightening, so you need to switch the little dial at the back for loosening. So there's two settings on a socket set, loosening and tightening. If it's not going the direction you want it to, it's on the wrong setting and you got to put it on the other one. Invariably it's on the wrong one. Alright, so let's try this. Maybe I've got it on the wrong setting. If it's not going right away. Okay, so in this case, righty is actually loosey. So we are turning it to the right. Love that socket set sound. Okay. You don't get to hear that every day. Sounds like a real man work. There's a sort of a spring spacer in here, don't lose that. Now you put your new blade on so that the concave part is against the steel plate, like that, okay? And it's got a little six-sided part here right in the middle that fits in nicely, like that. And you get your bolt on with the spring also making concave tension against the bar. Okay. Now, switch your socket set to loosening setting, which is actually tightening setting in a mower. you're done. Change the blade.
Okay, we're going to talk about edging. One of the things that separates a really good lawn from a just mowed lawn is very clean edges. Not only that, but there should be a trench going right along the sidewalk. It's called a reveal. And if you put a reveal all the way along the sidewalk, it'll look sharp and sort of finished like a frame of a picture. So we use this machine called an edger. And this is a very old one. I have no idea how old it is. Maybe 40, maybe 50 years old. It'll run on anything. It doesn't care. It's not picky. So let's get now watch started and try some edging. If you walk around, now I'll show you how old it is. Not only do we have a spark plug here, but we have a choke and the old rabbit and turtle. So the choke has to be in the on position so that we have a maximum mixture of gas to fuel to air ratio. Then the rabbit means the most amount of gas coming through. Now we're gonna have to pull the cord a few times. So here we go. Oh, make sure that the setting is in its highest position so that the cutting blade does not scrape against the cement. That would be gross. Okay, here we go. Come. Okay, turn the choke off. You hear it run smoother now. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's start on the straight. Put the setting down. 4 halfway. Slot it in. Okay, that was noisy. Didn't go as deep as I would have liked, but this is the backyard, and for demonstration purposes it's fine. Often you will get a lot of debris out here, so it's better to do it in dry weather. If you do it in wet weather, the muck tends to clump up and it gets stuck in the cutting blade too. So dry weather is twice as fast. Now this I can just blow with the blower and we're done. Ready to mow.